Good evening everyone. So today we are at a very special event. We're going to be at the EQC Unveiling here in Ponsonby. We're at Studio 230 and it's a Mercedes event obviously. There's a worldwide unveiling happening pretty much all at the same time. It's pretty exciting. It's Mercedes' very first electric car. So this is going to compete with the Tesla Model X and a range of other electric cars that are coming out as well. I don't know anything about the pricing, know a little bit about the car. I've been following Mercedes for a little bit because I actually own a Mercedes as well, but today will be the first time that I actually see the car in the flesh. So yeah, what we'll do is we'll just have a walk around the car park. There's actually quite a few interesting cars in the car park, so we'll have a look first. So we've got a really nice looking silver C-Class coupe, an Audi A4, a little bit out of place, but you know, it's okay, we support the other brands. And a normal sedan C-Class. We've got a GLA over here as well, that's probably a company car. And then we've also got a RS4, I think that's RS3. And a C63 AMG in the car park as well. Alright, so we're just going to do a quick walkthrough and have a look around at the venue. Lovely corridor and entryway here.
You alright, mate? You want to try some?
No, it's alright, thank you. And here's the actual car itself. I've seen actually some photos online of this car already, because Mercedes have already posted some, but apparently I'm not allowed to upload the video until later tonight, so you're going to be seeing this a little bit later on. But yeah, very excited to see what the car looks like under the covers, and also the interior as well. I'm actually really excited about the interior for this car.
My dreams about the future seem so real. I'm dreaming of other dimensions, where things are becoming intelligent and connecting with each other to make our lives easier, smarter, and more entertaining. I'm dreaming of cars that are driving on their own, so that I can do whatever I want while traveling safely. In my dreams, I like to share everything with my family and friends. Our adventures are so fascinating. It's not about the car anymore. It's about everything. I'm dreaming of silent streets at night, feeling the fresh air and the wind. Beautiful experience. I think my dreams can become reality and change the world. And if your dreams are feeling as real as mine, maybe it's time for us to realize that we are not dreaming anymore.
Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Pete Hackett, and I'm your Master of Ceremonies for tonight. And on behalf of Mercedes-Benz, I'd like to welcome you all to the launch of the Mercedes-Benz EQC. Of course, you're all looking forward to finding out more about this incredible vehicle, one that I can assure you changes everything. If you're like me, you're thinking you could definitely see yourself driving. come and interact with the car, ask our product experts the questions that you all want to ask.
Yeah, true. Alright everyone, so we've just had the unveiling of the EQC. A little bit of a story about this one. This one's apparently the 5th prototype. I think they said that they've made 455 prototypes now. So we'll do a little walk around a little bit later when maybe there's a few less people. But this is all happening right here. It's all very exciting. So we're just checking out some of the little details at the moment, and you'll see that this daytime running light actually runs all the way across the bonnet and above the headlights. Alright, so this is the interior of the car. It looks very much like any other Mercedes. There's a few little touches. So we've got the nice leather on the outside there, on the door card. We've also got some really nice quilted leather on the seats. And then here's the interior. It looks very minimalist actually. I guess they're going for like a little bit of a Tesla feel. But there's a few buttons in there, so thank goodness for that, because I'm not a big fan of Tesla removing all of their buttons. So there's a few really nice little touches in there. This is obviously still a prototype, so that's why, and it's been going around the world as well, so that's why it's had a little bit of use. But you can see what the interior is meant to look like. So you got the really, really wide dual screens, which are pretty standard now on all new Mercs. The stop-start button is there, and then you've got all the climate controls and all the other buttons around the interior as well. I'll jump in the driver's seat shortly and give you a view from the driver's seat as well. Alright, we're going to jump in the driver's seat now. Sorry, I haven't got an ultra-wide lens, but that's going to be solved soon.
Plenty of space. Plenty of space, isn't it? A lot of Legroom. Yeah. Nice.
The bonnet's too heavy anyway to do it all the time, so it's just
Alright guys, here is the rear seat. So we're going to have a look at the rear legroom. Looks just like a standard Mercedes back here. We've got the nice Burmester sound system. Plenty of legroom. Still a little bit of a bump on the rear seat.
So the interior is actually exactly, other than the height, the length and width is exactly the same.
Here's the boot of the car. It's a little bit more of a coupe style, but it's probably a cross between a coupe and a normal SUV. There's quite a bit of room back there as well, so yeah, it's not too bad. Alright, so we've got the rear of the car. This is the EQC 400. Apparently most of it is actually just a GLC. It's got dual motors, 150 kilowatts front and rear, so you've got 300 kilowatts altogether, and it's got an 80 kilowatt hour battery. I think 85, something like that. And it's obviously four-wheel drive because it's got the front and the rear motors. Gonna go under the bonnet. Doesn't look quite like any other car. Looks pretty similar to an electric car bonnet though, if you've seen like a Leaf or something like that. Alright everyone, thanks for joining us tonight at the New Zealand EQC Unveiling. And hopefully there's going to be a bit more news about this car. Maybe we'll do a test drive, maybe we'll do a review when it comes out. Certainly I think this is very exciting for Mercedes. See you next time.